Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your Tron from Binance. It's quite easy to get this done. All you have to do is make sure you have an account on Binance, because without an account on Binance, you cannot withdraw any of the funds. So make sure you have an account here. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you have to do is quite simple. Head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you will be dropped at the overview, which houses all of your cryptocurrency assets. Now, once you found your crypto, simply scroll over to the spot or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored. Click on the Tron in question. And remember, we can send this Tron in any available networks. And to confirm that, click on the withdrawal option, send via crypto network. Now, each network has its own fee for withdrawal, as well as the minimum withdrawal rates. So as you can see on the TRC20, it's 15 Tron. On the BEP20, it's 5.6. So all you need to do is get the recipient address, which in our case is going to be the Trust Wallet. So simply open up your Trust Wallet and make sure you have the Tron enabled, as if it's not enabled, you can't see it on your main list. To get that done, the Manage Crypto option at the top right corner of the screen, click on it, simply search for TRX, and here we go, the Tron. You can turn this off or you can turn this on. Select the Tron option, click on Receive, copy this address, minimize and open up your Binance. With Binance opened up, remember we're sending on the native Tron wallet, which is going to be 15 as the minimum withdrawal. So paste the address we just copied, enter 15, and simply click on withdraw. So by doing this, we get to send all of our available Tron over from our Binance, and we can confirm its arrival on Trust Wallet with a simple reload. By just reloading, we can find the Tron there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.